Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
We invite you to attend the free Ag PhD Scouting and Scholarships event. It's coming up the last Saturday in June, so it's June 28th this year.
All right, if you're going to college or heading to college next fall, you may say, oh no, I don't want any more classes. I'm just getting done with classes, and now you're telling me I got to go to another class? Well, this one's different because we're going to go out in the field and show you some things. It'll be hands-on. We'll be digging. We'll be showing things below ground on plants and above ground. We'll be looking for bugs and weeds and lots of different things. Just showing you what there is in agriculture to get excited about and things you might be doing when you get back on the farm or into an agricultural business.
So during our Scouting and Scholarships event, we're going to give away over 100 college scholarships. We're super excited about that. But even if you're not going to college, we would love to have you join us. It doesn't matter if you're 8 or 80. We'd love to have you there because we are going to talk about a lot of different things in the field. So yes, it'll be maybe a little bit more of some of the basics of agronomy, but I'm confident you'll still have a great time. And what better time can there be than spending some quality minutes with the best young people in agriculture? We're just so excited. Every year we have, I think, some of the best questions that come up and such engagement and everything. It's just a super fun day. We'd love to have you join us.
Well, it's a fun time of year as well because crops are growing. And if you're going back to a farm or if you've got farms in your area that you're interested in what's happening out in the field, this is a great way to find some of those answers and find some things that you should be looking for out in fields at home.
Now, if you want to be eligible for one of those college scholarships, you do need to pre-register. So go to agphd.com. We've got more information for you there.
Join us at the Ag PhD Scouting and Scholarships event, and hopefully you'll see some weeds out there like our Weed of the Week to identify. And this is a tough one to control. We'll show you how to do it later in the show.